you. Let's start off with a song like always. What an honor to be here with you guys. Here we go. Let's go. Dance with me. Woo, yeah. United Kingdom Roundtable. Let's go. All right, thank you for being here. What an honor it is to be here with you. I am Rising Phoenix AuroRa. I am the founder to A.U.R.A, Hypnosis, Entity Removal, Past Life Regression, as well as I am the author to Galactic, Soul History of the Universe book series, which you can find under Amazon, Barnes and Noble. I do very much a lot all over the earth, and then the universe and multiverse. But we'll cut it short. I do workshops, retreats. Next retreat is actually March 11th. Last day to March to sign up is March 4th, which I thought that was pretty interesting. March 4th. Like that's March on 4th. Anyways, so that'll be the last day to sign up for that one in Angel Oaks. And then I have a workshop in April, teaches you how to become your own self-healer and to remove and unplug yourself actually from the matrix, this is what our title is today. Thank you for being here. Yeah, go to my website, risingphoenixaura.com, and then I have a phenomenal course on how to become sovereign and also removing toxic people from your life, which is this Sunday, under Patreon, Rising Phoenix Mystery School. Let's get started. Thank you for being here. We have our beautiful, beloved souls, light warriors, strong warriors from the United Kingdom, which they are really leading some beautiful, profound light over there in the United Kingdom. Now, we know that we've been covering so much around the world, and I was seeing this roundtable for a while because I know that, especially if you've been watching the Antarctica Tartaria series, we know that's really where the beginning, kind of like the dark seeding point to what happened that then started basically, they started to tyrannically take over the rest of the countries, districts, lands. So I think it's so powerful that we have these beautiful souls over in the United Kingdom holding the space. So I'm so infinitely thankful for them, for their strength, their love, their beautiful sovereignty, the ways that they lead in some of the darkest areas, because as we know, the king and the queen, all that tyranny and so on, and there they are amongst that darkness, holding such a strong light. So thank you for the work you're doing there. And there's so many people, especially in the United Kingdom, but all over the earth, but United Kingdom, who did take